between 2 points. So we talked about distance, page 33, and now we're going to talk about slope. I hope you remember slope from last year, from algebra. If you don't, well, we're going to review it right now. Slope is a rate of change. Slope measures steepness, so how steep a line is, and we can find the slope between the 2 points with a formula, just like we did distance. So slope is the rate of change. So it's two things are changing. That's why you're going to get a fraction written as a rate. Okay? It's the change of y over the change of x. There's two things that are changing. Okay? It's a rate. So it's a number over a number. Okay? We use m to stand for slope, and it measures steepness. How steep a line is. So that's, if it's a flat line like this, that's not steep. Gets a little bit steeper, gets a little bit steeper, gets a really steep. Okay? So that's steepness. How vertical a line is. That's steepness. So we do have a formula. We do the same thing we did before. This is how we do this. First, we label x1, y1, x2, y2, just like we do in distance. The formula, though, for slope is different. The formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's the formula for slope. So like I said, it's different than the formula from distance. They're two different formulas, but you need to always label x1, y1, x2, y2. And again, it measures steepness. So you'll have a quiz on using the formulas, then you'll have one where you have to know which formula to use. So let's do an example. Let's do the same numbers, negative 10 over 4 and 9, negative 6. So we're going to label x and y, x1, y1, x2, y2. So your formula is y2. y2 is negative 6 minus, notice we're doing, minus y1. y1 is 4. Oh no, I just messed up my whole paper. Minus 4 over, so it's 2, the y is changing, and we're seeing how much the y's are changing by, over how much the x are changing by. So the y is negative, I'm sorry, the x is 9. Thank you. Exactly. Minus 10. No, it's not 10. It's negative 10. Alright, and we would put that in the calculator, or we could do the problem and solve it in our head.